Volunteer, Ahmad Kruto, bakin pelajar ke Jakarta, now kini ada ke Proseshon, berikut kini kemas. Nak kau sudah ciklua ke balai kau, nak linti pedang ke ciklua ke bawah south spa lai kau south, south lai south. This award, let me read the title of the article which have been written. Katusdo sa kamau kaiditra bo chong kayeng kristan kapenkut ya kayeng kristan literary award 2023 how ba apol mangyu na parish malai east Khasi Hills district na kabenta kajingtho kajing ie chikuren katamay jong kayeng kasem masuk kabalami how nopra arjar arku Let's put hands together for him. May I request Bishop of Jawai, Bishop Ferdinand, to come forward. Let's put hands together for them. We will also present this Jain India to the friends and brother of the Ngut. Really made a point to be with us here today and to be with us throughout this day so that we can manifest our faith in the Eucharistic dawn. Your Excellency, we can never thank you enough, but we want to tell you that we honor so much and we treasure your presence with us, and you have come for this purpose to see our people, to see our faith, and to see every one of us present here today. We have